Aloha no kako o maru. Today we're doing another segment of one word, many meanings. And we're starting today with the word aloha. Now I just greeted you folks with that word. Yeah, I said aloha me no kako, I think. Now when you greet somebody with aloha, there's a lot that's wrapped up into that. And we'll get more onto that. But for now, when you greet a group of people, 3 people or more, you can say aloha me kako. Yeah, when it's you and one other person, just 2 of you, you can say aloha no kawa, aloha me no kawa, and different variations like that. Another meaning that some people know is that aloha does mean love, yeah? Now it doesn't translate into, oh, I love that dress, but it's a real, genuine kind of love that you might have for a person, for a pet, and things like that. A real common phrase that most people would like to say is, I love you to one person. And the way you do that is, aloha ia oi, aloha ia oi. One meaning that people don't know is that it has to do with empathy, you know, having empathy towards somebody. Maybe when they lose a loved one, you can say aloha no. That's a very common expression, aloha no. You feel bad, you feel sorry for that person, aloha no. You can also use aloha when you have kind of a soft spot in your heart for somebody, yeah? So for me, a father, I could say, nui ku'u aloha I ka keiki. Yeah, I have a soft spot in my heart for my kids, yeah. Those are many, many different things that are rolled up into the word aloha, and that's not even all of the different meanings that are attached to that word. If and when you use the word aloha in a greeting, you're really talking about having that real human connection and showing them all of the, you know, human respect that you would give anybody. You know, be kind to them, treat them well. You know, when they're in pain or in suffering, you have that aloha still. Yeah, that's really what's rolled up into that word. So it's not just a hello, goodbye. There's far more, you know, meaning rolled up into the word aloha. Okay, to wrap it up, I know that was a lot, but when you do greet people with the word aloha, there's a lot of it that's rolled up into that word. All the things I mentioned, right? We should have empathy. We should have love for people that we meet. That's the hope, yeah, when you meet somebody, that aloha is always going to be part of your interactions. Unfortunately, that's not always how the relationship ends. And when that happens, we say aloha no.